welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be flipping a dress that my aunt gave me into a top and skirt. Anyways, I won't make this too long, so let's get into the video. So this is how the dress looks before after, and then now I'm just trying on the dress to see how big or small I want my skirt and top to be. So for the top part of the dress, it's going to be like a halter backless top kind of look. So right now I'm just tying the front to strings, and then on the back I'm just going to see where I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to go flip inside out the dress, and then I'm going to measure it, see where I'm going to cut it, and you can just see how I'm cutting it. So then I'm just going to fold it and then pin it so it has a cleaner finish. So now the leftover part from the top part that we cut from the top, I'm sorry if that did not make sense, but I'm just cutting off the extra fabric there so I could just have one long string for the skirt. I forgot to show me doing it, but what I did is from the top part of the skirt, I just folded it again just to have another cleaner look. But I did save some space for the string, so it could be like a drawstring like you would have in joggers or a hoodie. And yeah. Okay, so if you made it this far of the video, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting every week, so stay tuned for more DIY videos. And if you haven't, check it out. Check out me and my sister's vlog channel. It's gonna be in somewhere a little here or in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.